Hey guys, today we're going to open this amazing Barbie doll. You see those 3 Barbie dolls? But I love this the most because this one mostly looks like Elsa. And the 3 Barbie dolls to collect are Ava, Ola, and Mia. So I just love this one because it looked a very nice metallic-y dress, and I loved it because it looked mostly like Elsa, and I love Elsa. So let's get opening. Let's get at her stand. So here she is. She has nice flowers on her feet, and she has a very nice metallic skirt. She has very nice stars on it and some snowflakes, and she has a glittery top with a little pink rose on it. She has nice brown hair. And I love her hair. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back. Bye.